A decentralized proof-of-stake (POS) blockchain called Cardano, ticker symbol ADA, was created as a more effective substitute for proof-of-work networks. In honor of Augusta Ada King, who was also the Countess of Lovelace, widely regarded as the first computer programmer, Cardano's cryptocurrency is called ADA. The blockchain's POS consensus algorithm uses ADA. It is awarded to users who take part in a stake pool as compensation for their contributions to the blockchain. In today's video, we will learn about Cardano in simple terms. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex, and many more. So watch this video till the end and hit the subscribe button. And click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So let's begin the video. History of Cardano. Cardano was developed by Charles Hoskinson, an Ethereum co-founder, in 2015, and the platform was released in 2017. Cardano has established itself as an Ethereum substitute. Both platforms aim to create a connected, decentralized system and are utilized for similar applications like smart contracts. Comparing its third-generation platform to Ethereum's second-generation label, Cardano sees itself as an upgraded version of the latter. The blockchain platform aims to offer banking services to unbanked people worldwide. What is Cardano staking? The ability of a node in Cardano's POS system to open blocks on the blockchain is determined by staking. The total quantity of ADA that a node possesses over the long term is its stake. A stake is an ownership interest that a pool participant holds and that is committed and secured with ADA. Due to the fact that it is being kept as security for truthful validation behavior, pledged ADA cannot be used or spent by the bearer. Users who have pledged ADA are rewarded with transaction fees. The awards are given out based on how much ADA a user has bet. Joining staking pools, which are collections of ADA owners who have pledged their coins, allows users to collaborate on updating the ledger, opening new blocks, and gaining rewards. How do Cardano staking pools work? Cardano employs the proof-of-stake (POS) consensus algorithm in which users stake a coin in exchange for the chance to become a validator. There are two methods that users can take part in the staking and validation process. You have the option of operating or owning a stake pool. Trusted server nodes called stake pools do the task of validating transactions. An individual who has assigned ADA to a pool is a stake pool owner. You can either make your own private stake pool or invite other people to join it. By committing your ADA to another pool, you can also acquire ownership of a pool. A dependable individual is designated as the stake pool operator and is responsible for renting servers, keeping an eye on the node, holding the pool key, and other pool administration duties. Future of Cardano. Cardano is designed to be developed in eras named after notable figures from computer science and poetry history: Byron, Shelley, Godwin, Basho, and Voltaire. The age of scaling and optimization, known as Basho, as of late August 2022, aims to provide Cardano new proof of workers. The final phase of Cardano development, dubbed Voltaire, aims to bring voting and treasury management to the blockchain and network through system upgrades and previously introduced smart contract capability. How is Cardano different from Bitcoin? Between Cardano and Bitcoin, there are a number of significant distinctions. Peer-to-peer payments are the main goal of the Bitcoin system. Cardano is an ecosystem that enables other developers to build scalable blockchain networks, tokens, decentralized applications, and other use cases. Cardano employs POS for its consensus instead of rewarding ADA in a Bitcoin-like competitive mining process. Because mining-specific computers don't need a lot of electricity to run, this decreases the energy and waste footprints. Users of Cardano can stake their ADA by installing appropriate wallet software on their laptops or other devices, and starting to get rewards. What is the best place to stake Cardano? You can choose from a number of staking pools to stake your ADA. To make sure you're joining a reliable pool, it's crucial to carefully look through a pool's website, user ratings, complaints, or difficulties. The Deadless Wallet, which allows you to select a pool to join, is supported by IOHK. To assist you in choosing a pool, you can also utilize the community-built tools adapools.org, cardanoscan.io, pool.pm, poolstats.org, or pooltool.io. How do I mine Cardano, ADA? There is no mechanism to mine Cardano like there is with other cryptocurrencies. It must be bought on a cryptocurrency exchange instead. What is Cardano, ADA, market cap? Cardano, ADA, is having a market cap of around $15 billion as of late August 2022. The bottom line. Decentralized Proof of Stake, POS. Blockchain Cardano was created in 2015 and released in 2017. Due to the fact that it does not rely on cryptocurrency mining, it is more energy efficient than proof-of-work blockchains like Bitcoin and has established itself as an alternative. The objectives driving Cardano's development are significant. When voting and blockchain-based treasury management are added to Cardano's capabilities in the future, its developers envision it finally becoming completely decentralized. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.